How to use Discord on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to use Discord on Android. If you want to go ahead and use Discord on Android, then you need to follow these steps. Now, first of all, you have to download the Discord app from your Google Play Store. So go ahead and open up your Play Store, and on the search box type in Discord. Once you type in that, click the install button and wait for it to install. As soon as it is installed, then what next you want to do is you want to launch the app and tap the register or create an account button. So click the open button, and next thing, as mentioned earlier, click on register. As you press that, you need to go ahead and register. So you could either use your email address or phone number. Select either one of it. When you type in that, go ahead and enter in your information and click the next button. As soon as you do that, confirm that you're human. And next thing, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and fill out this CAPTCHA. So you just have to go ahead and fill it out. After you've done it, click the verify button at the bottom of the page. Now you'll be asked to go ahead and enter in your username, create a password, and all of that. Once you've actually done it, so you've successfully created your account and start using Discord. So go to the home page. This is how it's gonna look like. Now press the plus icon so that you could go ahead and join or create your own server. If you want to go ahead and create your own server, click on create my own and select what is it for, and then you could start with this. Next thing, you will also need to go ahead and verify your email address. If you won't verify it, then not be able to access some of the features. And next thing you want to do is, if you want to go ahead and join it, click the plus button and click on join the server. Type in the invitation link and you should be able to join server in Discord. So that's how you could use Discord on mobile. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.